Double the protection. Using two Earth Leakage Circuit Breakers, ELCBs, in series. What is an ELCB? An ELCB, or Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, is a guardian angel in your electrical system. It stands guard against electrical shocks by detecting stray currents that leak from appliances or wiring to the ground. If a dangerous voltage is detected, the ELCB flips the switch and cuts off the power, preventing potential harm. ELCBs are essential safety devices used in homes and businesses alike. ELCB types: voltage versus current. There are two main types of ELCBs. Voltage ELCB. This type reacts to voltage differences between the equipment and ground. It's good for catching faults where live wires touch the earth wire. Current-ELCB, RCD. This more common type is a residual current device. It monitors the overall current flowing in the circuit. Any imbalance between incoming and outgoing current, a leak, triggers the RCD to shut things down. ELCBs and MCBs, working together for safety. While ELCBs are great for shock protection, they can't handle everything. They don't protect against overloads or short circuits. To address these issues, ELCBs are often paired with MCBs, miniature circuit breakers. MCBs act as the first line of defense, tripping the circuit in case of overcurrent situations. Two ELCBs in series, more safety, but is it worth it? While a single ELCB offers solid protection, some might consider using two ELCBs in series for extra safety. This can provide redundancy, meaning if one ELCB fails, the other might still catch a fault. However, there are some things to keep in mind. Coordination is key. Imagine two guards both trying to stop the same intruder. If they don't communicate, they might get in each other's way. Similarly, improper coordination between ELCBs and the MCB can lead to unnecessary tripping. Compatibility check. Just like friends, ELCBs need to be compatible to work well together. Make sure the chosen ELCBs work seamlessly with each other and your overall electrical system. Cost consideration. Adding another ELCB adds to the initial installation cost. Maintenance matters. Regular testing and maintenance are crucial for both ELCBs to function properly. The takeaway: safety first, but consult a professional. While using two ELCBs in series can offer some additional safety benefits, proper coordination, compatibility, and maintenance are crucial factors. Remember, safety should always be the top priority. For specific recommendations based on your electrical setup, it's best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can assess your needs and advise you on the most effective safety strategy for your situation.